Hey everyone, Joel Hansen here. Today we're outside Nevs Barbecue in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, kind of West Palm Beach area. Here to do a massive Texas-style barbecue challenge. Yes, Texas-style barbecue in Florida. Don't get me wrong, I'm totally okay with it. I love Texas-style barbecue. It's actually my favorite kind of cooking method for animals, and animals are arguably my favorite food. Jolies.com, grab yourself some merch. So today, guys, for this challenge, I believe it's called the Truckload Challenge. Apparently they are known for having a 1955 Chevy truck or something along those lines, some kind of real family meaning to it, and they're known for it, so kind of cool. So for this challenge, guys, it is about 10 pounds. It's huge, huge. This is Texas size and Florida size, both very large states. So for this challenge, we have like the brisket, there is pulled pork, there is their house-made sausage, there are burnt ends, there are ribs, like my favorites, guys, plus a number of their sides. I'm gonna give you the exact details. I know it's a 60-minute time limit or to get the platter for free, and I believe the value, if I'm not mistaken, is about $200. But anyway, let's head in, have some fun, get you the specifics, and at that, I'm excited. Let's go eat some food. All right, everyone, so here we are with the challenge, and it really is a truckload. This is huge, but hey, it looks great. How can I complain? It smells so good. So what we have in front of us is the full rack of baby back ribs. It's a Saturday special. We then have the pound of their pulled chicken. We have almost a pound of their house-made black pepper sausage. We have about a pound of the pulled pork. We have 2 pounds of their brisket, a pound of their burnt ends. Yes, they do burnt ends. I do love burnt ends. I then have the 4 sides, which I chose, being the coleslaw, the baked beans, the pickles. They do their own pickles here. Apparently it's a spicy horseradish pickle, which to me sounds delectable, and a cornbread. So that looks great. They also have their own sauces. They all make them here. One being their original. We then have the Carolina. And then we have the Texas Hot, which is a little more vinegary, which guys, can't beat Texas style barbecue sauce and Texas style barbecue. So, it smells good, I'm ready. So now let's get started here, just momentarily. Ready?
Ready to rock.
All right, restaurant's ready, I am ready. Thanks everybody who came on out. We got people all the way from Illinois today, so appreciate you guys, local Floridians and Washington and all the above. So, like we said, 60 minutes. So where am I going to start? We'll start with the cutlery, and of course, kids, I always say you should start with your healthy veggies. So let's try this coleslaw out. Looks good, smells good. Almost smells like Caesar. Let's see what it's all about. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us eat. I'll give this a shot. There is a flavor in that. Ooh. Sweet. Little acidic. Delicious. Is it like
It's a green onion.
green onion? There you go.
Kale, white cabbage, and carrot.
I'm a fan. Amazing. Alright. I'll try these pickles, then we're gonna get into meat. So I have to pull them off. Do you love me some pickles, some spicy horseradish pickles? Oh man. Nice bit of zest to that. Woo! I'm glad I was doing that pickles as a side. That is delicious. I'm gonna eat those as we go. We're gonna try some of this chicken to start. We got their pulled chicken. Nice smoke on it. We smoke with post oak, so it tastes like Texas. And it's all white meat chicken. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're here at Nevs Barbecue having some authentic Texas style barbecue. Yes, believe it or not, this was actually real authentic Texas like barbecue, but it was in Florida. Let's just say the roots of the restaurant, of the ownership, was Texas, and it was amazing to be having it here on the east coast of the United States. I do want to try some of the sauce because chicken goes great with it. This is the original. Oh wow, interesting flavor, nice and light. little sweetness. No punch. Trying this freaking delicious looking Carolina mustard. Oh wow. That is, woo. A little zest. Definitely get that like lovely Dijon kind of mustard vibe, honey mustard kind of vibe. So Texas style barbecue is really characterized by a salt, pepper, and heavy smoke. It's not generally a lot of additional spices, really a lot of kind of that real quality, that real flavor comes from the proper cooking preparation of that meat. So it's really clean. And last but not least, trying this Texas hot. Oh, vinegar. Try this pulled pork. Some nice juicy looking pork. Really nice smoke ring on it. Good flavor. With that vinegar, delicious. So with this truckload challenge, this was definitely a great big massive platter. I mean, it was like 10-ish pounds. We had so many ribs. We had a couple pounds of brisket, the burnt ends. I mean, hey, I told you what was there. I won't go carry on. But shout out their pickles. Their pickles were really delicious. Let me know if you like pickles down below. Some people like pickles. Some people are okay with them. And some people really dislike them. But I like pickles. This challenge, I think, with the free meal as the prize, the 60-minute time limit, this is definitely a expert level challenge just due to the sheer weight. Barbecue is also like a very true weight, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like it loses any weight during cooking because all the weights come after being cooked is when it's weighed up. This is delicious. They say sharing is caring, and normally I like to share, but this, I ain't sharing. Go get your own. Delicious. I'm doing the vinegar and the mustard right now. Wow. Talk about flavor. That's pretty much the majority of the information though. So a very, very large challenge. I will say this is a really cool spot. Like I said, if you're ever in the area, definitely stop on by, tell them I said hello. The people were super friendly. That being said, I was really nervous about completing this challenge. I knew that failure was an option. So with that, let's tune on in. Let's see if we can complete this challenge. Hopefully we can at least get to try the remaining items on the platter because yes, barbecue is definitely one of my favorite foods. Animals are technically my favorite foods, but Texas style barbecue is definitely some of my favorite. Got a traffic jam. Technical difficulties. Try won't stop me. Ain't nothing holding me back. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna re-up my vinegar as well. Although I don't know if I'll use it. Well, maybe for the ribs or sausage. Delicious. All right, and we got my brisket. My burnt ends here, both my favorite. Let me know your favorite barbecue item down below. Try these ribs. I think I'm gonna go into the, oh my God. Wow. That is a very nice, tender, but textured rib. Oh yeah. Good bit of seasoning on there, like bark. It almost reminds me like a, kind of like a mud. Like almost like a Memphis-ish mud that kind of got on it. And that's smoke. You can see that smoke ring on there? Ooh-wee. Sweet tea, unsweet tea, I'm all about that on the barbecue life. So much so I drank it all, and I can't have any more. I've cut back on my caffeine intake, and I feel freaking lit already from it. But damn, tea and barbecue, delicious, best combo ever. And I think we are, I don't know what, 8 and a bit minutes in, something like that. There's a lot left, so we better keep moving. Okay, that is delicious. I'm all about that flavor. I love it. I would drink the whole bottle of that. Amazing. Okay. Although, never done a beef, and the sausage is pork and sausage. Let's try out this brisket. I got about half of the lean, half of the fatty. They both look very delectable. Oh my gosh, that is lean and that is pure, tendery, buttery goodness. Let's see what it's all about. Oh my god. Wow. Holy crap. Amazing. That is absolutely cooked perfectly, guys. That is just literally fall apart. Not fat. Melt in your mouth. Now it is rich, I'll give it that. But damn, it is good. Try burnt end while I'm at it too. Nice and meaty, actually a lot more meaty than I was expecting. Not just fat. A lot of people don't like them when they're overly fatty. These are not overly fatty actually, these are very, very, very meaty. Meaty burnt ends.
Can we all get gloves? Save your cost of napkins.
The gloves are a good trick, so you can really dive in. Oh man, that is a tender piece of meat though. It just comes about. I think about 14 minutes in. A lot of food. Whew. I'm definitely filling up bit. Enjoying it. But no shortage. It's called a truckload for a reason. Whew. Alright guys, brisket and beans, that rhymes. Sausage.
So we have Kylie.
Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, but I gotta show you one more time.
Cool.
That just rips apart.
Some of our Nevs fanatics that joined in from North Carolina.
Wow, that was just
And yes, we do cater.
Still so good.
If we cater.
the fact that it's just falling apart like that is just too good. Good brisket. I tried it in the sauce, so try the brisket in the sauce. You say I tried it. This is in the Texas hot. That little bit of acidity, a little bit extra salt, really breaks up the richness of that succulent brisket. Not needed a I'll try it in the Carolina. That Carolina is fire. Not bad. Well, the brisket, I'm not a huge brisket and sauce person. Okay, this is a fatty piece of brisket. That is gonna be flavor right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Man, talk about, wow. That is what I want in my life. Do you have a little bit of salt?
Salt, pepper.
Yeah, do you have a little bit of salt? Yeah. Guys, this is amazing. And I'm gonna tell you a Joel tip. It is seasoned perfectly. It is salt, pepper, heavy smoke. We put a little bit more of a salt, especially if it's a large grain. And when you have it with this like super rendered, just buttery fat, it helps kind of grind it down to everything even more. And it's like 10 times the experience. Excuse me. Sorry guys, comments to the chef, the pitmaster. This is the best thing. Oh guys. Oh my God. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah, large grain salt, guys. Just what I want. This is Texas right here. That little bit. Praise Jesus, hallelujah, guys. Oh my gosh. Hell yes. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh man. Wow. Wow. Sorry, I just realized I'm screaming in a restaurant. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. I don't even know if I can continue. Holy jumpets, guys! My heart is racing. That was like the craziest thing ever. Let me do that again. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys!
It's a good trick. I didn't know that about the salt.
I have no words. Oh my gosh. I have none. That was incredible. I'm gonna finish off with that because that's like literally heaven sent. Let's try this sauce we're at. Oh yeah. That black pepper. That's the one that doesn't work. This one works. Large green black pepper and that sausage.
Cheers.
Unlike the sweet sauce, it doesn't really stick to it that much. So you just gotta chase it, right?
Sure. Sausage with our Texas hot.
I don't drink alcohol. I don't chase my vodka. I chase my barbecue with barbecue sauce. Beans, biscuit, and bread. Triple B. Wow. May I try these beans? We got definitely some brisket in here.
Yep.
What all we have here?
Yeah, some brisket baked beans. We start out with raw pintos, soak them for 24 hours, and stew them for about 5.5.
Wow. The flavor in that. Such a deep note of tomato, almost get like a burnt sugar from it. It's really, really good. And it is thick. Look at that. It's like the Blizzard, you know? That's it. I would have gotten the Blizzard for free. Really good. So let's try this cornbread out. I believe it's a jalapeno cheddar cornbread, is that right? I am full though, guys. It's a lot of food. And we've been eating for, I don't know what, 26 minutes maybe? Try this cornbread out. Oh yeah. Really nice jalapeno and cheese flavor. It's moist. Cornbread. Last bits, and that is an extra nice smoky bit. I'm excited for this. I might say brisket might be my, like, what do you call it, death row meal? Let me know what your death row meal would be down below. Give it a shot. I'm just not even gonna talk. Wow. Okay, I can't help myself, I lied. Oh, that is fatty, savory. It's just silky. It's like beef butter, the way that perfectly like rendered fat. It just melts. Oh, wow. Does it get any better than that?
Is that game? That's game.
Let's finish?
Yeah.
Alright, officially time to stop. I'm gonna clean up my shrapnel. Why not? Whew. And that. I'll say we're finished.
Well done.
Oh. First off, I think maybe it's 29 minutes or so. You know the exact time on screen. Alright, two things going on. I am so full right now. There's a lot of food. Second thing, I am in absolute freaking bliss. That taste of that fatty brisket, my mouth, my lips, my throat. It is coated with that outside bit where it's like right from that bark. I have that lovely punch of black pepper. I have that lovely kind of, like I said, the grit of that salt, which just helps to mix and like accumulate. I don't say emulsify, it's not quite the right word, but integrate with that fat. Oh, I just need to breathe. Woo! That was a lot of, it's intense in the best way possible. So for that, we officially ate a truckload of barbecue, which was delicious. Thank you to Nevs. Appreciate you guys. The staff here have been awesome. I know this place is very new, and it is everything I could imagine. Maybe I'll just have to move down here. I don't know, maybe like down the road or something. I can become a regular. This is, whew. All right. Anyway, for that, we get meal fruit sweet. We officially defeated the platter, and I don't even know what else to do with my life right now. I just gotta sit, contemplate, give my thanks, and that's about it.
Try brownies, they're amazing.
I don't know if I could. There's a lot of food, everybody, in the best way possible. But that, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely, if you're all in this area, Is this fair to say the West Palm area? Is that also fair to say?
Yeah, West Palm or Palm Beach Gardens.
Yeah, specifically it's in Palm Beach Gardens, but I'll call it just for those more generally the West Palm area. Stop on by Nevs. This was definitely a true keeper, true Texas style barbecue. That's where they are coming with those cooking or origins from. And having been to Texas many a times, it is true Texas. And I'm not just saying that. That is true Texas through and through. So you guys did a great job, and I don't even know what else to say. Just, I'm gonna die. It was that good. So till next time, everybody. Of course, I have been hungry, happy eating. Thanks for everybody watching the live stream. And at that, have a lovely day. And they also gave me a hat and a shirt, so thank you everybody here at Nevs. Super cool. And we're at Hollywood Beach. Beautiful day. Getting in a little bit of a run while we get some sunshine. Lots of people out, despite it being a Monday. A lot of people, touristing this time of year. There's some shops, some restaurants, and I got no complaints. It's about 28 degrees or 80, just over 80 some. So I like it. Hey, guess what? You rock. Yes, you rock. Thank you so much for watching the video. I totally appreciate it. I hope you left me a comment down below. I'd love to read them. I hope you also liked that video. Hey, by the way, click my face. You can subscribe. Yes, subscribe. That way you always get my uploads. You won't miss me when I'm in your town. And I also picked 2 videos for you. Yes, 2 videos I know you'll love right here. So watch one of those, hit my face. And at that, thank you so much. You rock.